Good morning, dear students. Dear students of class 9, I hope you have enjoyed fully this puja vacation of Durga Puja and Lakshmi Puja. Okay, now our journey is now starting from today for the next session for term 2 exam. Okay, let us start. I have already completed up to session 10, which was using how to use currency symbol. From today I am starting from session 11, formatting cell content, font size and font style. Okay, now in Microsoft Excel, font determine the appearance of the individual characters in your worksheet. Microsoft Excel contains several fonts that we can use to present our data. If we are not satisfied with the font you are using with your worksheet, we can make change the required modification. Okay, to apply that modification, perform the following steps to change the font style and font size in a worksheet. First, select the cell. Suppose I want to change this cell, the modification of the font size and font style. Okay, select the cell or cell range to change the font style and size. In our case, I have selected the cell A1. Okay, next, click down the arrow of font combo box. You can see that this is the font combo box to set the font of the cell A1. In our case I have selected, please just wait, Aheroni. I am selecting Algerian. Okay, look at this, I am selecting Algerian. Next, select to change the size, select on the font size, click as per your requirement. Suppose I am selecting 36. Now it is now applied to the selected form. Again I am showing you Cambria and font is 18. It is now the font. Now if you want to bold this, just click this and click on bold. If you want to change the font style into bold, just click on this. Just click on the cell range and click on bold. It will be now bold. Okay, now I am going to show you how to apply border to cell. It is not fit in this cell. Just reduce the size of the font. Now session 12, applying border to cell. We can apply borders to a cell or cell range to distinguish them in the worksheet. By default, a black border is applied in the worksheet. You can see that this is known as the virtual border. When we will take a printout, we can see that there is no border. Just go to print preview. You can see that there is no border. There is no virtual border. Okay, which we can see in the worksheet. For that, this is known as the virtual border. If we want to apply the border, just select the cell range. Next, go to go to font group under the home tab and click on, go to font group under the home tab, click on border combo box. This is the border combo box. Click on this, choose anyone from this. If you choose all border, all cells will be border, all cell will be border. Look, and this will look like this. This is the how to change the, how to apply the border to all cells in a worksheet. Next, our next topic is session 13, coloring cells. How to color different cells. We can fill color in a cell or range of cells to distinguish them in the workbook. We can use the fill color option to fill color in a cell or range of cells. Performing following steps to fill color in a cells. Just open any worksheet. In my case, I have already opened a worksheet which is known as the book 1. You can see that book 1 book is now opened. Now select the cell range from this to this, from this to this. Next, click down the fill color box. Click down the fill color box. This is the fill color box. A list of colors will appear in front of you. You can see that. Now select the orange color. Select the orange color from here. Select the orange color from here. The color gets applied to the cell, as you can see that. Now you can use different color also. Just click on it and click on this. Dear students, next topic is that session 14, performing spell check. How to perform the spell check in our worksheet. It is very common that while entering textual data in a worksheet, certain spelling mistakes might happen. Okay, we can check spelling mistakes in our worksheet using the spelling option provided in the review tab. Okay, perform the following steps to check the spelling words in the worksheet. First, open the worksheet. In this case, I have opened book 1. You can already see that. Okay, next, select the cell from A1 to F8. From A1 to F8, you can see that. From A1 to F8. Next, click on review tab. Click on review tab. Under this review tab, you can see that spelling, and under this review tab and under the proofing group, you can see that spelling is available here. Click on spelling button in the review tab as shown you can see that on the desktop. The spelling English UN dictionary, you can see that the spelling English United States dialog box is present in front of you. It will suggest the correct spelling of those words which are spelled wrong in the worksheet. You can see that if there is any mistake of the spelling, it will be displayed on your screen, as you can see that. Now select the correct spelling from the suggestion. There is any dramatic, there is only one suggestion, dramatic. You can ignore once or you can ignore all, or you can add to dictionary, or you can change or change all. All options are available here. You can select any one of the options as per your requirement. Next, click on change. If you want to change, just click on change. It will be, after clicking on change, the misspelled word will be changed as the correct word, Okay, thank you student. Again and again, repeatedly, I want to request you, please try to practice in your own machine. Without practice, it will not be clear to you. It is 100%, it is confirmed that without practice, it will not be clear to you, because computer is mainly a practice-based subject. Without practice, it will not be clear to you. Nothing will be clear to you. So again and again, I want to request you, please try to practice and practice. If you have any questions, you can call me, or you can message me in my personal WhatsApp number in any time. I will try to solve your problem. Okay, thank you dear students. Enjoy the whole day.